Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a group on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create a group in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. In Computer Management, expand Local Users and Groups, and then click on Groups. These are the default groups. Now right click on Groups. You will find here New Group, or you can right click on Empty Area, the New Group, or you can click on More Actions, and here you will find New Group, or you can click on Action tab, and here you will find New Group. Click on New Group and just type the name of your group. I'm typing here my group, the group name, and now click on Create. Now click on Close, and look, the my group is created on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.